Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very requested video. So a few of you have requested me to do a video on my favourite drugstore products. I personally pretty much just use drugstore products. I don't go out of my way to get high-end products. I find that drugstore products work just about fine for me. I'm probably wearing mostly drugstore right now, and I like both. What I love about drugstore products is that they're very much easier to access. They're easier to get. They can be cheaper, well they are cheaper, but that doesn't mean that they're not as good as high-end products. I really love these products that I'm going to show you today, and you probably have seen them in my past videos. So if you watch my videos, then you will have seen these products, but I have to share them with you because they're my favourite. The first drugstore product that I want to share with you is one of my favourite brands, which is Garnier. I love Garnier because I feel like Garnier are very natural and they take care in every single product that they create. Every single product has something natural about it, and I just love their packaging and I love their products. I love what their products offer. I love that they've got shampoos, conditioners and makeup and skincare. Everything, like they have pretty much everything, so I love Garnier. So I'm going to be showing you guys this product. So this is the Garnier Micellar Milk Water. So you guys have probably seen, you may have seen this, but you probably have seen the normal micellar water. Everyone has it, everyone raves about it, and it's actually really good. I like to use it with some cotton wool. So what I would first usually do is either use some face wipes, just take my makeup off, then go in with the micellar water, or what I will do is I will do a facial cleanser, so use something a little bit more better and tougher, then I'll go in with the micellar water, because I feel like this is very good at taking makeup off, but I just don't feel like I've given I don't feel like I've proper cleansed my face with this, because sometimes, I don't know, it does cleanse and it does moisturise as well and it hydrates you. But I feel like if you've got heavy makeup on, then you should use a baby wipe or a face wipe first of all. But this is the Micellar Milky Cleansing Water. So this removes makeup so quick, you guys. If you don't follow my social media, then I will put my Instagram on the screen right now, and you can see a video on when I used this and how quickly the makeup was gone. It was so good, especially eye makeup. It's very good at lifting eye makeup. If you guys follow me, you'll know that I am obsessed with Makeup Revolution. I remember walking into Superdrug and I was obsessed with Too Faced. I love their palettes and stuff, and I walked into Superdrug with my fiance now, and we literally, Liam just said to me, he was like, look at all that makeup over there, and I was like, okay. So I went over to it and I was just drawn to this crazy setup of Makeup Revolution. It just had I Heart Revolution on it, and it had all of these chocolate palettes, which I'm going to get to, all of these chocolate palettes all in a row, and it was just so cheap, and I was just like, hello. And ever since that day I just fell in love with them, because I went and picked some of their palettes up, and I will get to this one in a minute, but that's what I'm going to tell you guys about. So I love Makeup Revolution. You probably know if you follow me already, but I am obsessed. I think their products are not only stunning, the way they create them, but it's not just that, it's the way they put their self out there. Like, that display really got my attention. They know how to get your attention. They know how to make a mark on you. They know how to get their products out there as well, because they're a very cheap brand, and they know that, but their products are so good that I would literally pay £40 for this, because it's the product quality. I have this on my eyes right now. The product quality is just insane. I'm not even joking. It's crazy. It's so good. So I'm going to share with you a few Makeup Revolution products. So this is the first one. This is the Nudes palette. I have loads of chocolate palettes, absolutely loads. I've got most of their palettes, but this one I am wearing today and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this one is the Nudes palette. What I love about their palettes is, one, they bring a mirror, which is so handy. They name all of their shades, which is so cute, but some of their palettes smell. So with the Lemon Drizzle, I've got the Lemon Drizzle and the Macaroon, they smell, and the sweet one, the cotton candy, they all smell, which is insane. I think that's crazy, and the amount of work they must put into their products is just amazing, and I love them so much. But these, I love this palette because this is kind of an everyday palette. You've got nudes, you've got some shimmers, you've got mattes, you've got shimmers, you've got highlighting colours. There's so many beautiful colours in there. And at the moment, I have only got on French Girls and Skimpy. Oh, French Girls, this one, and Skimpy. That's it, that's all I have on my eyes, and I love it. The pigment is so good, the product is so good, and it lasts. There's hardly any fallout. I don't know what else I can possibly say. I just strongly recommend Makeup Revolution to you guys, strongly. You should definitely check out iHeart Revolution. I will put their website down below. Other products from Makeup Revolution and iHeart Revolution are these donuts. So you've probably seen them all over Instagram if you follow them. But these are the donuts that they brought out recently. They are the cutest thing I've ever seen. I actually received these in a PR package, and I'm still so thankful for this. Like, I just can't even get over the fact that I got this. This is just insane, but I would have gone and got these anyway. So they're all donuts, and they all smell, and they're little eyeshadow palettes. Like, how imaginative are these? How imaginative are iHeart Revolution? I can't get enough. So this one is the raspberry icing. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. So again, you get a mirror, which is perfect, and then you get your palette. Look how cute. So if you just wanted to have, like, maybe if you were going out and you just wanted to wear all pink on your eyes, you could take this one, or blue, or yellow. So what I love about it, and it gives you the colour for your crease, it gives you colour for like your corners, gives you a darker colour, and it gives you a shimmer as well that you could even use as a highlight. I love how clever they are. And it smells. It's just amazing. It's seriously amazing. This one is the blueberry one. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh. And you know what, guys? They're squidgy. Look how squidgy they are. It's so cute. Then you've got the maple glazed. Look how gorgeous these colours are. And then you've got strawberry sprinkles, which is this one. This one's my favourite. And where's my chocolate dipped? Oh, there you are. We have another one. I received 5. I forgot about this one. This is my favourite. This one's my favourite. I love chocolate, obviously, but this one is chocolate dipped. Look how squidgy, so cute. This one is the chocolate dipped. Look at that. Oh. I can't get enough. I can't get enough of them. I've literally got their notifications on, and whenever they release, I'm on it. Also, another product, and this is the last product from Makeup Revolution, because otherwise this is just going to be a Makeup Revolution haul. So this is the Conceal and Define Concealer. I have heard so many people rave about this product because it is actually that good, you guys. It's so damn good. The quality, the coverage, the applicator. I love the applicator of this product. It's like a massive wand. My one's in the shade C5. This one's a little warm for me. I should have got one maybe C4, a little lighter, because this one's a bit too warm for me. But yeah, it's so good. The next product I want to share with you is just another 2 concealers, and these are by Maybelline. So this one is the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. I just tried this a few months ago and I'm obsessed, you guys. It's so good. I've got it on now. I love it. The coverage is amazing. I love the applicator once again, and you can twist it to get more product. I just love the thought process of this. It's so perfect and easy, but the coverage is insane. It's so good. Another concealer from Maybelline is their Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Love this. I feel like this is a bit of a dupe for possibly this one, which is by Clinique, which is the All About Eyes Concealer. I feel like this one works the same as that. It's a very creamy consistency, but it is really good coverage. And again, I love the whole applicator. I love concealers with applicators. I'm a little bit fussy when it comes to concealers because I do a lot of makeup videos and I use them a lot, so I like to have a concealer with an applicator. This one is really good. This isn't part of my haul, but this one is by Clinique and this is their All About Eyes, but if you look at the applicator, it's not a wand, so I prefer wand applicators. So that's what I want brands to bring out more. I just want them to start bringing out loads of wands. Like, I just love wands. I don't really like having to squeeze it out because I feel like I'm squeezing out a lot of product and then I don't use it, so I feel like it's a waste. Whereas this is just great because a little bit goes such a long way. It's insane. The next product is again by Maybelline, and this is the Snap Mascara. So this I've used this for quite a while. I really love this mascara. I feel like it's very, like, I've got it on now. I've got lashes, but I have got it on now, and I feel like this mascara is close to the It Cosmetics Superhero, and that mascara is the best mascara ever. It Cosmetics Superhero is the best mascara I've ever tried, and nothing has ever come close to that. But this is starting to, because you know what, when I don't have any makeup on and I'm vlogging or working, then I just wear this and I feel like my eyes just look open, and they look, my lashes are dark, my lashes are lengthened. It just adds a lot of volume also. So this mascara is so good. And also I find with this mascara it's very easy to get it off, especially with the Garnier Micellar Water. Next product, you guys. If you follow me, if you follow my channel, if you're subscribed to my channel, you watch me, you're gonna be fed up. I'm sure you guys are gonna get fed up of this highlighter that I'm gonna show you. But this is my favourite, and this is my drugstore highlighter that I would seriously recommend to you guys. So this is my favourite drugstore highlighter that I would seriously recommend to you guys. I have it on right now and it is, wow. It's the Wet n Wild, I bet you guys are like, is she seriously ever going to stop using that? Wet n Wild highlighter, and it's the Mega Glow collection, and it's in Precious Petals. Oh my, I've never experienced such a great highlighter in my life. It's the most beautiful kind of pearlescent pink, and it just adds so much glow, and you just don't need much. Like, this is all I have, but I only put a tad on, and look how much highlight I've got. It's crazy. Love this so much. I love the pink kind of pearlescent glow it gives. It's just so pretty. Love this. I really want to try all of their other colours as well. I want to try their different shades, so I will be doing that. But this is my favourite, Precious Petals. Last products are lips. So I am a massive lip liner person and lipstick. I sometimes, on days when I'm running errands or just working on my blog or just doing work in general, what I will do is I will just wear a lip liner and a little bit of mascara. And the one I love, and you guys seem to love too, like, I haven't used all three, I've only used two, but one of them stood out to you guys, and it's my favourite too. It's not what I have on right now. I actually have on Gerard Cosmetics, but I'm going to share these 3 lip twisters with you, and they're by W7. So these are the 3 lip twisters that I am loving. So the middle one is Rust, and this is my go-to lip liner. You guys have actually gone out and bought it yourself because you can see how great it is. I use it every single day and I love it. It's such a creamy lip liner. If you have it, let me know down below how you found it, but it's such a creamy lip liner and it lasts all day and it doesn't dry. It's just so moisturizing, and oh, it's just so good. I love it. And yeah, this is my favorite shade in the color Rust. This one right here, so damn pretty, so pretty. And then the other two I've got, this one is called Very Nude and this one is Champagne. Champagne is a little bit more pinky. Champagne is this one, but I still love it. But I love this dark one, that's Rust, this is Champagne. And then I'll show you Very Nude. I just love their lip twisters, they're so good. And then this one is very nude. So this is more like a brown. That's very nude. What gorgeous colours. They're so good. So good. And then 3 more. So on the last products of lips. And then I've got 1 more product to show you guys. So to go with Rust or to go with any of them lip liners, I like to go over with a liquid lipstick. And this is my favourite at the moment. This is the W7 Skinny Lipping. And this one is in the colour Apples, in the shade Apples and Pears. It's such a matte lipstick, but it's so moisturising. It doesn't dry your lips out, it doesn't crack, it doesn't come onto your teeth, it doesn't go onto your drinks. It's so good and it lasts all day. And I'm not even kidding, the colour is beautiful. This colour is so perfect. So that is the colour, look at that. And look how true to colour that is. That's what I love about lipsticks now. The ones I'm getting hold of that I've just never tried. I'm really happy that I've tried the W7 Skinny Lipping range because look how true to colour their lipsticks are. It's amazing. This is so good. Then another W7 lip product. I really love W7 for lipsticks and lip liners. This is the Magnificent Lips, and I've had this for donkeys, but I love it. It's in the shade Jemima, and I'm going to show you guys. It's so pretty. This is, again, it's a matte lipstick, but again, it's creamy. It goes on like butter. It literally goes on like butter. It's so creamy, and it's such a gorgeous colour. I am obsessed. So pretty. And this is called the Magnificent Lips. Love it. So there's all the products that I am absolutely loving at the moment from the drugstore. All of them products are from the drugstore. Love them. I pretty much use most... most of them products near enough every single day. I love them so much. They're all so good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world to me. And if you do want to see more makeup videos or more videos like this, then just give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. And make sure you're following my Snapchat, guys, because I am so active on Snapchat and I'm always wanting to talk to you guys. And come say hi. Come say hi on my Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.